There are salads and there are salads. These salads that you buy in these little plastic packets at the store, or the teeny little side order ones you order at a restaurant, they're often pretty gross. They've got floppy lettuce, a few tomatoes here and there, and also that disgusting cheap dressing, which is more often than not packed with inflammatory oils, defeating much of the point of virtuously consuming a salad in the first place. Worst of all, they leave you pretty hangry only an hour or so after eating them. Today, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a real salad, a delicious one that doesn't suck. YouTube, welcome to the Metabolic Living channel. My name is Bella. I'm the lean nutritionist and recipe developer here. Today you are going to get the ultimate lesson in building your own dream salad. Follow these very simple steps and without fail I can assure you that you will have a big old flavorful and healthy salad every single time that is going to keep you satiated for hours. So we're going to go ahead and start off with our base. Now, this is mine. So while lettuce can provide some yummy crunch, I know lots of you love it, so I'm not going to dog on it too much. It isn't really the most nutrient-dense option, as you probably already know and have heard. So a very simple swap here can be to add some flavorful arugula, some curly kale like this, some spinach. If you really love your lettuce, that's actually not so much of a problem. I want you to enjoy your meal. So what you can do is just kind of mix them together and do a little combo of both. And also another note is don't just limit yourself to just greens. Get creative here. You can throw in some red cabbage, some broccoli slaw, so many different options to make your salad delicious. The goal here is really to make your salad dish a joy to eat. It shouldn't be a chore, okay? All right, so now let's go ahead and get into the nitty-gritty of what makes a fantastic salad. So my #1 must-add is healthy fats. Here are mine for today. It literally blows my mind when people ask for their dressing in their salad to be omitted or on the side and then they don't touch it, or if they do things like skip out on the nuts or the avocados, all in attempts to turn their salad dish into this boring, fat-free affair. I mean, pretty gross, to be honest, to me. It's going to taste horrible. Most vegetables, actually, including these leafy greens I just showed you, actually contain fat-soluble vitamins. That means they're actually dependent on fat to be absorbed in your body. So, if you're going to eat dry greens, you're actually not only having a boring salad, but you're missing out on vitamins A, E, and K, and thus negating many of the benefits of eating a salad in the first place. Another thing to note is that fats are actually really satiating. They're going to turn off those hunger hormones in your body, giving you that delightful, satisfied, full feeling that we all crave post-meal. And the absolute best part of healthy fats, in my opinion, is that they add so much flavor. So I love to add nuts to my salad and also avocado. So today I'm throwing in some chopped walnuts and a full avocado here. Going to add some little bit of a crunch as well as some different textures and of course that creaminess from the avo. Absolutely delicious. Now you can also of course add healthy fats in your dressing, but I will come back to that later when we discuss dressings. So must add #2, high quality protein. So the difference between a meal salad and a puny little side salad often lies in the protein, which again is going to not only just add interest to the salad, it's actually going to make it far more satiating. Protein is going to keep you full, people. Don't miss it. It's such an important part of any dish, but especially a salad dish. So I personally absolutely love to tear up an organic roast chicken and use it in my salads. Here's a chicken that I made earlier this week. And also a really great thing about that, it's just a little side note, you can actually use the bones for bone broth. So you're going to get a lot of bang for your buck if you just buy a roast chicken organic, roast it throughout the week. So I'm going to throw in my chicken, which is my protein source for today. Hard-boiled eggs are also a really great one if you're vegetarian. And then for my vegan friends, you can do some crispy chickpeas. Are absolutely delicious, especially with kale. Hemp seeds are a really great addition as well, and they also add a really delicious nutty flavor. So lots of good options. Must add #3, seasonings. Question for you, would you cook up your favorite all-time dinner dish and not add any seasoning at all? No salt, no pepper? No. So why would you not season your salad? It literally blows my mind. Eating something that satisfies both your body and your taste buds is really, really important. And without seasoning, it's going to be pretty bland no matter what the dish. So I really recommend adding some, first of all, just Himalayan sea salt and black pepper to your salad. And then you can also add things like fresh garlic. You can also get creative with fresh herbs. Basil tastes absolutely delicious in a salad if you've never tried it. I'm just going to do some salt, pepper and garlic in there today. Maybe I'll add some basil at the end. I've got some growing in my front porch. It's actually doing surprisingly well for me. Your must add number 4, warm things. Okay, so you don't actually have to add warm things. If you're not feeling it, you don't like the hot on the cold salad, just make sure that you add a variety of fun, raw veggies like tomatoes, you could add celery, cucumber, radish, just add all the things basically. However, I will say that if you haven't had roasted veggies on your salad before, you are definitely in for a treat. I actually rarely make a salad now without any warm vegetables. There's something about it. It's just delicious, it's nutritious, it really just helps satisfy me and make me really enjoy my salad. So today, in this little baking tray, I've actually got some shiitake mushrooms and some seasonal summer squash. It's still actually really hot, but I'm just gonna throw it on there. Gonna add, as I said, some nutrients, but also some warm things. Delish. So pouring all of that in, I'm spilling it everywhere. And now we are moving on to my last one, number 5, dressings. So most store-bought dressings are going to contain nasty hydrogenated oils, sugars and stabilizers, so I definitely recommend making your own. So I always try and do a base of either avocado or nut butter for just more of those delicious healthy fats that I chatted about earlier. So today for my dressing, I'm doing my all-time fave. It's a tahini dressing, absolutely delicious. So all I do is pop in some tahini, some lemon juice, some coconut aminos, a little bit of sea salt, some pepper, and then some water, and then you can just kind of drizzle it all over, and it's gonna just be so delicious. So pour it in. I'm just gonna go for it, to be honest. Gosh, this is what a salad should look like, guys. That's delish. So good. Now you just kind of toss it in, and there you have it, really healthy, satisfying dish. We've got our greens in there, loads of high quality veggies, we've got high quality protein, healthy fats. It's going to help you be satisfied both physically and mentally. I hope you guys love this recipe. If you did enjoy this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to our Metabolic Living channel. You can also follow us on social media. We've got all sorts of awesome content. I always love seeing what you guys make, and it really just inspires me. If you did make a big old salad today following these steps, pretty please post what you put into your salad in the comments. So enjoy your salad, have an absolutely wonderful day, and I will see you all very soon in the next video.